Hello guys, my name is Alok Mitrapati. Again, I came with a new topic, how to install CDC in Server 2019. Guys, CDC stand for Child Domain Controller. So, guys, here why to create a CDC server? Here I have a create a picture and I will discuss on them. Here I have attached a computer with each other with the help of switch on this machine. I have created a domain server and with a triparty.com on this machine, and there is a multiple user group and OUs. This DC machine provides a service of these client and it is working very fluently on this machine. Now a condition came that our network will be extended and 400 user plus on DC machine means 400 user create on our DC machine. This is now total one 500 user. Total run 500 user will be run our DC machine. Now again 200 user extend. Suppose 200 user again. It means that on DC machine getting workload continuously, then DC machine getting down. Workload continuously burden on DC machine, then it will be down, continue down. For this sort out of this problem, we create a CDC machine on our any network machine. Means here, suppose I am creating a CDC machine. Guys, the purpose to create a CDC machine that are which user you have create on DC machine and DC machine getting burden, then this burden not give on the DC machine. It give on CDC machine, means on this machine. This is a child domain controller machine. Means here you will create 400 user and 200 user create on our DC machine. So you did not create on DC machine. You will create on CDC machine and give the burden to CDC machine of another 600 user. In simple word, CDC machine is used for a reduce the burden of DC machine. Guys, if you want to say what is the purpose to create a CDC machine, then you can say CDC machine is used to reduce the burden of DC machine. One more thing, as a DC machine which are replicate data with ADC for suppose that DC machine, guys, DC machine as a replicate the data with ADC and RODC machine, but never replicate data with DC machine. Never replicate the data between CDC and DC machine. For guys, for practical prefer of our DC machine, we go on our virtual machine. Now you see here for CDC practical, I am using two virtual machine. I am using two virtual machine. For first one is Guys, for first machine is the name of DC1, and second machine is the name of node 1. So on DC machine, I have created a domain name which is tripathi.com, and I show here to open Active Directory user and computer. For first of all, click on tools, and I'm showing here in Active Directory user and computer. Active Directory user and computer. Here to create a user. Here you can see here create a user. I have already created a user with the name of the Vivek. And check on CDC machine to replicate the data with DC machine. So first of all, check the IP address of this one, and this is a very necessary in MCSC. That is very important to configure the IP address. Guys, you can see here I am giving the IP address of this one. Here we prefer the IP address in DNS server. That is the IP address of our DC machine 192.168.1.50, and the alternate DNS we prefer the IP address of CDC machine 192.168.1.51. Click on OK and close. Click on close this one. Now after IP configuration, let's go to CDC machine. Here I configure the IP address. Guys, this is a fresh machine, and you can see here my computer name is node 1, and this is not in any domain. First of all, configure the IP address. Now click on here, right click, go on properties. I am giving the IP address 192.168.1.51, and here you provide 192.168.1.51, click on OK and click on close. Now I am going to check the ping. That is ping is continue or not. I'm checking the ping with our DC machine to CDC machine. As ping is not coming, so first of all refresh here, because IP address is not assigned here. You can see IP address is assigned. Again refresh. Now again check the ping. One more time I'm checking. Ping is not coming because actually network setting is not properly on virtual machine, the bridge adapter, and also check on DC machine. Same configuration. Now go on again, check. So guys, here I'm checking the ping. So ping is successfully running. So now let's go to configure on node 1 machine of CDC. And here of our machine node 1. For create CDC, click on manage, add role and feature. Add on feature, click on next. Just leave as it is, click on next. Click on next. Here roles tab came here for installation CDC. Click on Active Directory Domain Service. Add feature. Click on next. Next. Again next. Click on restart. Yes. Click on install. Guys, on node 1 to create CDC, you install Active Directory Domain Service. Now rest of this part of the topic we discuss on next video, that how to install CDC and its configuration. Now go on my next video, part 2 of this topic, how to install CDC in Windows Server 2019. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, share with another, and subscribe also.